Today's episode is all about DoorDash, as in dash to fix this door before the rain comes. Check it out. Oh yeah, this is early summer in West Virginia, where in one day it could hail or flood or have a big tornado or just be sunny for 15 minutes. When you're a car guy, you only get a little bit of window to work in living around this area. So today, this satellite door has some trim holes. This car had trim, like a wide trim, all the way down the side of it. So I replaced these quarters. Of course, it didn't have those holes. So rather than drill all those holes, try to figure out how to put those stud things back in, I'm just going to delete them all. This door also has a nice dent right here. Don't know if I can get to that today, but I like to try. You can see here I got two of these already down to bare metal. What I like to do is I like to take a piece of metal and I shape it and I'll fit it in there, and then I'll tack it in, and then I'll grind it flush instead of trying to use a bunch of like a magnet or something and make perfectly round holes. I'm just going to hillbilly fix this. Stick this in there. I'll bend it and I'll shape it, stick it in the hole, and I'll hold it with this hand, and then I'll tack it in, and then I'll cut it off. Alright, as you can see, here's my hole. Here's my little piece of metal, and I shaped it. So now I can just stick it in this hole. And I have a handle I can hold it on while I tack it. Then I'll cut off the excess. Well, I got it filled in and ground flush. It's perfectly smooth. I'm happy with that. So I just got to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more times. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 7 holes filled. I need a smaller sander to get back in there for that one in front of the fender there. But I got some spray, like rust encapsulator stuff. I sprayed on there. Then I'm probably just going to hit every spot with a little bit of fiberglass filler. And that ought to seal it up nice and tight. That way shouldn't have any problems down the road. And you guys watched my other video. I have put this tail panel on. I sprayed some leftover paint in there. So, man, it's not the prettiest, but I didn't want to grind these down like super flush, because sometimes I have a tendency of grinding too much and I make the metal around the weld thin. So I wanted to leave it strong. It is just a trunk, and that paint is just keeping it from rusting because it sits outside. Guys and gals, thanks for watching. Bye. Do you think these are raccoon prints or just cat prints? Asking for a friend.